Kyntronics Smart Hydraulic Actuators in action. The Kyntronics Smart Hydraulic Actuator, known as the SHA, is a complete actuation system, including the motor, servo drive, actuator, and software. It is configured for your application and factory tuned, ready to install. The SHA offers many advantages compared with hydraulic cylinders and ball screw, roller screw EMAs. In this video, a new metal forming machine is reviewed, focusing on the coining and piercing stations. It is becoming a consistent theme that manufacturers want to eliminate hydraulics from their shop floors. This creates challenges for machine builders where higher forces are required and where shock loads are inherent in the process. The machine builder considered using roller screw actuators, but decided in favor of the SHA due to the shock loads inherent in the process and the damage this causes to EMAs, along with their prohibitively large size and high cost. The SHAs eliminated the HPU and related hydraulic components, resulting in a cleaner, quieter, and more energy-efficient operation. Kyntronics SHAs are used in a wide variety of applications to automate processes and improve quality. They provide significant benefits over traditional hydraulic cylinders and ball screw roller screw actuators. Thank you for watching.